Hello guys, welcome here. In this video we will be showing you how to set up your own virtual penetration testing lab so you can practice your hacking skills there and obviously improve them. In this video we will be using VirtualBox as a virtualization software, Kali Linux as our attacking machine, and Metasploitable 2 as the target system or vulnerable machine. Without further ado, let's get started. The thing you have to make sure is that you have enough system resources, and by enough resources I mean hardware wise. You would be able to build a penetration lab even with low resources, but it would work really slow. Well, you don't need to have a specific operating system to use all this. You could have Windows, Mac OS or Linux, whatever you choose. So let's get started with virtualization software. To download VirtualBox, just go to the link which is provided in the description. As you can see, VirtualBox is available for different platforms. Just download the version based on your operating system. As you can see here, it is already downloaded. Let us install it by clicking next, next, next. Now for downloading Kali Linux, just click on the VirtualBox Images tab. Then download the version based on your system architecture. As you can see, here it is. Now just open VirtualBox, click on File, then Import, Appliance, and just choose the file you downloaded. Next, and Import. So it's going to take some time. In the meantime, let us download the target machine, which is Metasploitable 2. So for this, just browse to the link and click on download. As we can see, a zip file has been downloaded. So unzip it and you will find a folder like this which contains all these files. Actually, the reason behind why we downloaded the VirtualBox image and not the ISO file is that to install ISO file would be really hectic. And these VirtualBox images come pre-installed in a virtual hard disk, you just have to import it. Exploitable 2, just click on new, enter the name which you want to put. Choose Linux and choose other Linux. Using the memory, you can allocate 256 MB of memory to your Metasploitable machine if you are gonna use it solely for your purpose. However, if you want to use and test this machine with your friends or your class simultaneously, you have to provide it more RAM as it is now become a server. So feel free to use up to 1 GB. Now use an existing virtual hard disk file and choose the file from the Metasploitable folder. Now let's get to settings. Well, Kali works great with 2 gigs of RAM, so your device must have at least 4 gigs of RAM. For network settings, we want both of our machines to be connected to the physical adapter of the device, whether it is a Wi-Fi adapter or an Ethernet adapter. The default is NAT, which means when we will be connected to the internet, the IP addresses of both the machine will be same as the IP address of the host machine, which is not what we want them to be different. So we will choose bridge adapter and choose the adapter our device is using. The same settings go for Metasploitable too. Now as the tough stuff is done, let's start both the machines. The default username for Kali is root and password is TOOR. The default username of Metasploitable 2 is MSFadmin and password is also MSFadmin. Let's check the IP addresses of both the machine. It should be same up to 3 numbers, and so it is. Let's do an Nmap scan on our target machine. Well, I mistyped the IP address. It could be a great mistake to mistype the IP address, as scanning an unauthorized network can lead you to severe consequences. As you can see, guys, the scan is complete. That means our penetration testing lab is built. Thanks for watching this. Please like, share and subscribe.